Scheduling appointments with HighLevel involves using its built-in calendar and appointment scheduling features. HighLevel offers a range of tools designed for agencies and businesses to streamline client interactions, including scheduling. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set up and manage appointments using HighLevel. Step 1. Access the calendar feature. Go to HighLevel and log in with your credentials. You can use the link in the description to go for it. From the main dashboard, find the Calendar tab in the navigation menu. Step 2. Set up your calendar. Click on Create Calendar or the equivalent option to start setting up a new calendar. Give your calendar a descriptive name. Optionally, add a description for the calendar. Set the appropriate time zone for your appointments. Define your working hours and available times for appointments. Specify the length and buffer times for appointments. Step 3. Customize appointment settings. Define the different types of appointments you offer. Each type can have its own duration and availability settings. Customize the form fields that clients need to fill out when booking an appointment. Set up automated email and SMS notifications to remind clients of their appointments. You can also send reminders to yourself or your team. Step 4. Integrate with your website. HighLevel provides embed codes that you can use to place the calendar on your website. Go to the calendar settings, find the embed option, and copy the provided HTML code. Paste the embed code into your website's HTML where you want the calendar to appear. This allows clients to book appointments directly from your site. Step 5. Sync with external calendars. To sync your HighLevel calendar with Google Calendar, go to the integration settings within HighLevel. Follow the prompts to authorize HighLevel to access your Google Calendar. Once connected, appointments will sync between the two platforms, ensuring you don't double book or miss appointments. Step 6. Manage appointments. Use the calendar view to see all upcoming appointments. HighLevel offers daily, weekly, and monthly views. Click on an appointment to view details, reschedule, or cancel if needed. Clients can also be given the option to reschedule or cancel through automated communications. HighLevel's CRM features allow you to track interactions with clients, making it easy to manage follow-ups and additional services. Step 7. Automate follow-ups. Use HighLevel's workflow automation to create sequences that send follow-up emails or SMS after an appointment. Automatically send feedback requests or surveys to clients post-appointment to gather insights and improve services. By following these steps, you can effectively use HighLevel to manage and streamline your appointment scheduling process, improving the client experience and organizational efficiency. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try HighLevel for free.